Hello YouTube, what is up? This is Wadloo and I am here to give you the unboxing of a hoodie I just received in the mail. It was from the Dewgothamcity promotion. It was Mountain Dew's promotion for The Dark Knight Rises, and I had received a 3-pack of t-shirts prior to this, but I forgot to do an unboxing on it. So I decided, I just got this in the mail today, and I decided we should do it. So let's get into this. Okay, oh, this, okay. Here it is. Oh wow, what? So, that is the hoodie, and we have a card. Congratulations. Thank you for participating in the Mountain Dew The Dark Knight Rises gear offer sponsored by Pepsi Promotions, Inc. Your item is enclosed. On behalf of Pepsi Promotion, Inc., we appreciate your participation in this offer. So, let's see. Let's get this done. So I can tell right now it's nice material. Oh, this is nice. Yes, the only size they came in was extra large. And here it is. Man cave, oh yeah. Let's just put it here, I guess. And it says Mountain Dew, and then Gotham City right here. That's pretty nice. Here, I'm gonna put it on real quick. And so, let's just put this down. Oh, I see. Is that like a glove? That's pretty cool. I'm guessing that's what it's for. See this? Get this done. I'm still here. I'm getting it. I'm just gonna cut this part out of the video, and if I don't, that sucks for me. Here, let's get this hoodie. Zip it. I'm gonna break the zipper. Okay. And sorry. I've never really been good at zippers. And, oh my god. I got this. Okay. Challenge accepted. Oh. Challenge completed. Awesome. So, I'm guessing... Here, I'm back. Can we turn the... if not... Here it is. Don't really know if you can see that. There's... This. It says Mountain Dew. And then right here... Gotham City. And then on the hands it has these little holes right here, which I'm assuming is never really had a hoodie that's done that before. I'm assuming it's like this. So yeah, here it is. So that is it. Let me get the hood out of here. And here it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and stick around shortly after this just for some announcements. While I'm here, I might as well show you. I went to the Dark Knight trilogy at AMC theaters. It was July 19th, and they gave me this poster. It says Batman Begins, all that. They had Batman Begins in the Dark Knight, and then at midnight it showed the midnight showing of The Dark Knight Rises. And AMC Amazing and Warner Bros. And I am also I'm making a Dark Knight Rises and possibly the whole trilogy in Roblox. If you're not aware, Roblox is an online free video game. It's a little bit like Minecraft, and it's multiplayer. You just basically, you can build your own levels and play other people's levels. And I have a website for all things for this movie. It is robloxtdkr.weebly.com. The link will be in the description. And I hope you subscribe to these videos, and I will see you guys later.